Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change state or server in Whiteout Survival. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open our Whiteout Survival. So first, go to your profile on the upper left of your screen. While you are in the Profile tab, click on Settings. Now you're in the Settings tab. Here, click Characters. While you are in the Character tab, click Create New Character. As you can see, there are the states or servers you can choose from. Remember, only 2 characters can be created per state, and that's it. That's how to change the state or server in Whiteout Survival, and that's it. So that's basically how you can change state or server in Whiteout Survival. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.